The other one is thought leader ads. So what thought leader ads are on LinkedIn, this just came out about a year ago, and we can now put spend behind individuals' posts. And what we've noticed is that if you have a post coming from a company, they usually get about 0.5% click-through rate, which is minuscule. I mean, terrible. 200 impressions to have 1 click. But you put exactly the same thing in an individual's post and you boost it, all of a sudden you have a 2% plus click-through rate. And so we're seeing, wow, now this is one of the major tools we have is we don't have to show, here's a company you've never heard of and hope you want to engage with this. Now we're showing an actual person that is much easier to know, like, and trust. And that's been a really good, it's been a huge boon to all of our ad campaigns where we're trying to get people to engage at the top of the funnel so we can start to retarget them and move them down. Thought leader ads are like the perfect way of building the top of funnel to get people to feed down to the middle of the funnel and have a sizable audience there.